Welcome back. So in this section, I'm going to teach you and show you everything you need to know about a very powerful indicators. They're called EMAs, Exponential Moving Averages. So let's get straight into it. I'm on TradingView. I'm looking at Turbo on the 1 hour time frame. So to get your indicators, TradingView is very straightforward and user friendly. You select the indicators tab, and you just type in the name of the indicator that you want. I just wanted to show you a little trick here, because TradingView does have paid options and free options. So you have your paid subscriptions gives you a little bit more of features and stuff like that. But if you're just on the free version of TradingView, that's absolutely fine, especially if you're looking to use EMAs. I can show you a quick hack here. So you type in EMA and you want to select moving average ribbon. This gives you 4 EMAs in one indicator. So as you see, it just let me get rid of one. So when you select it, all your indicators that you select will show up on the top left hand side of your chart. As you see, as I selected, 4 lines just popped up on the chart. Looks a bit messy, but I'm going to show you how to clean that up. So you want to hover over your indicator on the top left hand side, and you want to select like this bolt looking icon called settings. Right away you're going to see that there's four EMA lines selected, right? Honestly, you only really need 3 for what I'm about to show you, so I'm just gonna uncheck that one. First thing you're gonna do is change SMA to EMA. SMA stands for simple moving average. We want a exponential moving average. It just means that it's a lot closer calculation to the price average, right? You can leave this as close. This I like to start 9-day EMA, 20-day EMA, and a 200-day EMA. So quick explainer. EMAs, it's an indicator that it shows you the moving price average over any given time. So this is 9 days of moving price average, 20 days, 200 days, so on and so forth. I like to change the color of the 9 to blue. I keep the 20 at orange and the 200 at white. So there we go. Chart doesn't look so messy right now. So this is very, it looks very complicated, but the thing that I want to teach you when it comes to EMAs is a crossover strategy. So the blue EMA is your fast, quick EMA, 9 days of moving average. And then you have the 20-day, which is the orange line, and the 200-day. So this is like a very, wide scope of price information, right? But as you see, the 200-day EMA is very useful to have because it acts as a support and a resistance line, right? So as you see, let's see if I can showcase this a lot better for you. So this is the main thing when it comes to EMA lines. As you see here, right, we had a strong move up in price, but what to notice is that the blue line, the 9-day EMA, started to cross over the 20-day EMA. We had a slight pullback, but the blue line predominantly stayed above the 20-day EMA. If you follow it here, this is an indicator that you're getting into a strong upward trend, and then even stronger when both lines cross over the white 200-day EMA line. And as you can see, price action followed as it should, right? Because these EMA lines, they provide pretty accurate, price action averages, right? And as you see, it came from this run, pull back down, and then it started to respect the 200-day EMA line as support. It's, it tested it a few times and it didn't break through, right? But we do have a situation here where price actually did break through. But again, the EMA lines, they give you that kind of, indication that, okay, we just came from a major pump and now we're consolidating. As you can see, the 9-day EMA started to get a bit weak at this point, and it started to fall below the 20-day EMA. Now this is an indication that it's going to retest the support line. But as you see, the 9-day stayed below the 20-day and started to cross below the 200. So as a result, price went quite a bit below the local support zone and then gradually pull back up. And as you see again, this blue line made a sharp dip downward. So this just kind of, gives you some insight on where price could potentially, end up, or the type of trend that you're getting into. So, clear example, if we were trading with EMA lines and we noticed, okay, a bullish candle formed here, then another bullish candle, and then we had the 9-day crossover to 20-day, we could get in at this point. At this point, and then, keep an eye on price action. And the minute that you see some bearish candles form and then the 9-day EMA starts to slope downwards, this is kind of where you want to take profit, right? It's as simple as that. Nothing's ever really simple when it comes to trading, but these do help, right? These do help just get you in line and get you in a certain zone that you want to be, especially when you're just starting out. These are the key fundamentals and concepts that you definitely need to learn, because this will just keep you out of blowing accounts and help hopefully just sharpen your edge in your trading journey, right? So 3 very simple indicators can make all the difference. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, this is how EMAs work. There's a lot of strategies around EMAs, but the most simple one is definitely the crossover. So if you pay attention to how price, what type of candles are being printed and how the EMA lines are behaving amongst each other, whether they're hanging above each other or sloping below, to give you a clear indication on what price is going to do next. So, yep, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.